Alright guys, this weekend I've got a ton of vlogging to do. We're going to be going to the Scottsdale Vegan Beer and Food Festival. That's going to be a blast. And also the Phoenix Vegan Food Festival. And really quickly before we get up there and go have some fun eating, I want to share this fitness app with you guys. It's 30-day fitness challenge, and they reached out and want to sponsor a healthy lifestyle video. So I was like, yes, I would love to put you in my plant-based lifestyle video because we're going to be eating all plant-based food today. And I love always finding new exercises, new workouts, and new routines that you can do at home. So let me go ahead and share this with you really quickly before we get started, and then we'll head up to Phoenix. The app is 30-day fitness challenge, and I already logged in, I already downloaded this and was checking it out, so I thought it was actually a really fun app. You answer a bunch of questions when you first log on, and you can customize your workouts. So it tracks your progress each week, and then what I really like is down here, the library. It has 320 individual workouts that you can choose from, and then down here is exercises, 97 exercise videos with step-by-step instructions. So what I really like about this is it actually shows you the exercise in action instead of just showing you a before, you know, like a starting point and end point. The trainer is actually showing you exactly how to do it. And then challenges, this is one of my favorite parts here about it. So you've got different challenges in different sections here, different categories: bikini body, tone body makeover, sexy legs and butt, flat belly, cardio blast, slim arms. So one of my favorites so far has been the sexy legs and butt. And so it'll do a 30-day challenge. So based on your answers when you first log onto the app, it'll customize the workout for you and the plan and the exercises to match your intensity, and it kind of personalizes the plan for you, kind of like you're working with a personal trainer. And then here it has a meet your trainer section, so you can go on there and read the trainer's profile. Also, bikini body would be a really fun one too. So if I just do start day 1, and you click on it and it shows you each one how to do it. Let's check out slim arms. Start day 1, see what kind of exercises are on there. Superman raises. These are all things that you can do at home, which is really awesome. And I think it's a lot of fun. But yeah, if any of you guys are looking to bump up your fitness at home and you need more ideas for exercises, and it's kind of nice to have it kind of laid out for you by your personalized intensity and your time and your schedule, this could be something that you might be interested in. So I'm going to post a link to be able to download the app below. They also have a free trial too for a week. Okay, I just realized I should probably clarify this isn't going to be an all healthy vlog because we are going to a vegan beer and food festival. So I'll be testing out some different beers, probably eating lots of cupcakes and all kinds of random treats and desserts. But we'll eat, healthy tacos and sandwiches and probably whatever else they have there. So yeah, I guess the fitness challenge will come in handy after we're done eating all these cupcakes and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and head out and go have some fun. Got to Scottsdale, beautiful day, and we are at the Vegan Beer and Food Festival. We just got into the main entrance.
Goodie bags.
It's bigger than I thought too, so I'm excited. Okay, Michael's gonna try the hot dogs first. Sonoran dogs.
There goes Colombian dogs. Got pineapple. The ingredients. Try it out.
Let's do it. Thanks. What do you think? What's that like?
More bite?
Pineapple on a hot dog.
Pineapple on a hot dog.
Okay, we're at Veg Box now. This is one of my favorite places.
You're from Tucson?
Yes, we're from Tucson. Okay, got the Reuben. I don't know, you might need to try the buffalo wings now.
They're good. How's that one compare?
Let's see.
It's called Citrazona, so it's brewed by the same company, Barrio Brewing. So I think it's wonderful. So I want to try and see if the pretzel guy's here again. I really liked those.
You too. Christy, 30 gets more. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and I bought like your necklace. And your necklace. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah.
How's that? You met somebody from YouTube? That's nice.
I always recognize people's names too, so if you guys are commenting or leaving me messages or on Twitter or Instagram, I always recognize and remember your names.
Oh, good.
I just met the happy vegan couple. I'm so excited. They're in Tucson too.
Was their book?
Yeah, we just created this new book.
All right.
Anybody who's a new person on the plant-based journey will get a lot out of our book.
And they're coming over for dinner one night.
Yeah, definitely.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a round of applause for our chef, our presenter, and our all-about amazing Instagram model, Jason Wyrick.
I'm gonna have to start cooking with more pineapple.
For it, they don't want to cut all the way across.
How's that one?
Chorizo.
How about some greasy trucker-style vegan food? I moved here about 4 months ago and partnered up with him because I'm a decent cook, but I wanted to elevate the levels of the flavors, so Chef Jason was the man. So now I'm a Phoenix transplant, love this place. Everyone's been damn good to me out here. So it's my turn to be damn good to y'all. We're gonna love this stuff coming up.
It's time to make our home better.
Okay.
Come tomorrow.
That was good.
So we're trying to
That's the one they were doing the demonstration for.
Yeah, vegan taste. They're starting a food truck here.
Let's try it.
I just had the Southern
It is good.
vegan food.
Really good. Okay. On the hunt for more food.
Yeah. More beverage too.
Yeah, we're Recycled City, so we're a residential compost service. So we bring them in, you can compost 100% of your food waste and most of your paper products as well. And then we pick it up, we actually compost it for you, and then you can get soil back or you can donate it to farmland. I was like scared, but then I was like, oh no, I'm just gonna say that.
I'm glad you said something.
Have fun.
All right, bye. Okay, what is it? Mini dot soy milk.
It's yeah, mini dot ice cream. This is a strawberry shortcake one. It's kind of like, I've never had anything like this. It's almost like, at first it kind of felt like Nerds. Remember that candy? Nerds?
Oh yeah.
But then it melts in your mouth.
Well,
Yeah, it's really different. It's almost like little balls of frosting once it starts to kind of like melt in your mouth.
oh yeah.
But then
yes.
it turns into ice cream. It like starts out as Nerds and then it turns into frosting and
that
then
is
ice
weird,
cream.
Whole Foods is giving out. What is it? Taco.
Little vegan tacos, yeah.
What is the shell made out of? I like this bowls.
I like the fork too.
Man, I'm gonna keep both. What's the shell? Jicama.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's a root vegetable.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yes, we sell
So it's gluten free.
just like this. $5.99 for 15 taco shells.
All right.
Nice. I like it. Thank you. Cupcakes. I got pink lemonade. Michael got pancakes and syrup.
All right, thank you.
Gotta have my cupcake. So that's the one I got there. And they've got chocolate, vanilla, peaches and cream. So good. This is Vegan 101 cupcakes.
There was a pink lemonade. Frosting. I want to try.
Ooh, yeah, it's really good.
Oh, it's fizzy.
Okay guys, so that was the Scottsdale Vegan Beer and Food Festival. That was the veg out one. We went to two. The other one was in Phoenix, and that was the, let's see, I think that was just called the Phoenix Vegan Food Festival. Did I already mention that? I'll show you some clips from the Phoenix Vegan Food Festival, because I didn't show you yet. So I'll insert some clips from that now, and then I'll go grab my supplies, my ingredients for the matcha smoothie, and we'll get making that. Spicy cauliflower.
That's not, I remember KFC. Let's go down there.
Ooh, vegan cupcakes.
And this is Vegan 101.
That's good.
Yeah, this is a burger bowl. It's bound with sweet potatoes, local tempeh beans, organic chickpeas, local vegetables. So it's one of our items at the Cafe Allegro.
Oh, look at that. There's that back to you. Hang out right by the griddle over here, and we will have that burger bowl ready momentarily.
What is it? This is sweet potato?
Sweet potato chip.
Try it.
Thank you.
Prickly pear lemonade.
Throw this away. It's a savory spring roll.
Try.
Those are good.
You guys, I gotta do a coconut coffee float at home. We could do coconut, mocha, or vanilla bean. Avocado frozen dessert.
I can give you guys a couple of tastes if you want to.
Like, this is cool that you can eat plants and reverse your age. I think it's cool that you can cure diabetes and different diseases with just a food. Like, that is awesome to me. I don't know about anybody else, but that's awesome to me. You know, we don't know that. They ain't telling that in our neighborhoods, in our communities. They are not. They put, you got Popeyes right across from McDonald's. You got a Dollar Tree across from the check cashing store. You got, it's all targeted, man. There's no good foods, food deserts. You know, we don't know nothing about that. We think that chicken is healthier than steak. Fish is healthier than steak. So let's just eat chicken and fish and stay with pork and steak. That's all a lie, man.
Selling it for $20 today, no time.
Good deal.
Grab one of them.
Leather.
Wow.
Got crowded, huh?
Oh, man. I'm glad I got my pizza when I did.
People who are already flexible love it because they can do many things with it. People they're more stiff and have some back problems. They can really lengthen and stretch out their spine, decompress the spine and get more flexibility and mobility in the shoulders and the lumbar curve, lifting the arms, and do some arm variations. You drop your shoulders around the wheel and you just start it and stretch out all the way back, forth.
Alright, so I'm using my Vitamix and I'm gonna use some of this matcha powder. I got this at Costco. So this is 100% Japanese green tea powder. So I'm gonna take maybe, well, no, we're gonna wash that. Hold on. Okay, my measuring spoon. Alright, take two. So I'm gonna take some of that green tea powder. First, I'm gonna put some ice in here though. And I'm gonna do some frozen fruit. Let me grab the coconut too. So we use, okay, I'll do 1 cup of ice, frozen banana. So what I'm gonna do is start with a base, just like, I think it was in Dr. Greger's How Not to Die cookbook. He has I think it's a matcha ice cream. So I'm gonna use basically like that base, which is frozen banana, makes awesome plant-based ice cream, right? Let's see, serving size, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so I've got my little bamboo measuring spoon here. So about 1/2 teaspoon. Just kind of eyeball it. But it's pretty strong stuff. Like if you smell it, it smells really grassy, right? Like really earthy, grassy. So it doesn't need to be too much of that. Otherwise it might make it too grassy of a flavor, yeah. I've got Trader Joe's coconut chunks. I'm gonna just take a few of those, maybe 4, because they just come in little squares. It's really good. I like to use this in my coffee now too, those ice blended frappes. It's really good with the dates. Oh, Since I'm trying to keep it kind of on the green side, like I'm not gonna be using red fruit since I've got the green matcha going. If I use, you know, strawberries or something, not that you can't, but just sort of like, it's just what I do. So I don't want it turning brown. I want it to stay more like that green, that sort of bright green smoothie. So I'm gonna use some honeydew. And we'll do, yeah, maybe just, yeah, I think that's enough. Just like, pretty much just like one slice. I'm gonna take a little spritz of lime. And if I had mint, like some peppermint leaves, I would throw those in too, but I'm all out right now. For your liquid, you could use almond milk, which is all I have right now, or you could use like coconut water would be really good too. So I only have almond milk, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And it's unsweetened vanilla. I get this at Costco too. Oh, we got a good amount in there too. So if you wanted to make this sweeter, you could do more banana and less ice. And if you wanted to make it tangier, you could add extra lime. You could add mint to it. But yeah, you could switch this around any way you want. But it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Very light and clean tasting. So sometimes it's fun to change it up instead of always doing coffees, you know, ice blended coffees. Do some matcha smoothies. So yeah, if you guys want to try out some matcha recipes, I can definitely do more recipes. We can do some matcha ice cream or matcha and ice cream, and do some different smoothies if you want. All right guys, I'm gonna cut this vlog. I will see you in the next one. Take care. And yeah, I'm continuing vlogging and filming, but I'm just gonna end this one here. And I always forget to say goodbye, so goodbye, and I will see you in the next vlog right after this one.